Hi everyone! Welcome to Touch to Click. Today, in this video, we'll explain how to turn off power saving mode, so your device can run at full performance without restrictions. Step 1. Click the search option, then type select choose a power plan. This section controls how your device uses power and saves energy. Step 2. Look at the left sidebar and click on create a power plan. This option allows you to make a custom power plan instead of using the default ones. Step 3. In the Create a Power Plan window, select the High Performance option. This plan gives the best speed and responsiveness, but it uses more power. Step 4. Enter a name for the new power plan, such as Power Saving Off, then click Next. Naming the plan helps you remember that this mode does not save power. Step 5. In the next window, change all sleep and display settings to never. This ensures your PC does not turn off the screen or go to sleep automatically. Step 6, click Create, and you will see your new power plan selected in the Power Options window. This confirms that your PC is now using the high performance plan. Step 7, click Change Plan Settings next to your new power plan. This opens more detailed options to fully disable power-saving features. Step 8. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. This section lets you control hardware-level power behavior. Step 9. Find hard disk, click the plus sign, then expand turn off hard disk after. Change both values to 0 or never, so the hard disk never powers down. Step 10. Click Apply. Then click OK to save all changes and close the window. Your PC will now run at full performance without power saving mode enabled. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more simple and helpful Windows tutorials.